Google knows your content was written by AI. Not because AI writing is bad, but because most people publish it raw without editing it for the specific business, the specific audience, or the specific search intent behind every page. And Google's ranking systems in 2026 are built to detect exactly that: generic content, thin content, content that could belong to any website in any industry. If you're a freelancer or agency creating content for clients using AI tools and you're not running it through a proper refinement process, you are actively damaging their SEO, and they're probably not even aware of it yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's going wrong, why it hurts rankings, and the one prompt fix that turns raw AI output into content Google actually wants to rank. Let me give you a bit of context on why this is such a critical issue right now. Google's helpful content system, which has been updated multiple times, is specifically designed to reward content written for people, not for search engines or for content quotas. The problem with raw AI content isn't that it's AI. Google has said they don't penalize AI content. The problem is what AI content typically lacks when it comes straight out of the tool. It lacks specificity. It lacks genuine expertise signals. It lacks the kind of contextual depth that tells Google this content was written by someone who actually understands this business, this industry, and this audience. And when Google doesn't detect those signals, it deprioritizes the content in rankings. Your client's pages sit on page 3. The traffic never comes. And eventually, someone starts asking why. Let me break down the 5 specific ways unedited AI content hurts SEO. These are the things I look for on every piece of content before it goes near a client's website. Number 1, keyword intent mismatch. AI doesn't naturally understand the search intent behind a specific keyword for a specific business. It knows the topic broadly, but it won't know that your client's target customer is searching for affordable bookkeeping for small business London, not just bookkeeping services. Raw AI content often targets the broad topic, not the specific intent. That means even if the content ranks, it ranks for the wrong searches and attracts the wrong traffic. Number 2, duplicate language patterns. AI tools are trained on the same internet, so they produce eerily similar sentence constructions, paragraph rhythms, and phrase choices across millions of outputs. When thousands of websites publish content using the same AI patterns, our team of dedicated experts, comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs, Google sees these as low differentiation signals. Your client's content blends into a sea of sameness and gets no preferential treatment. Number 3, no EEAT signals. Google's quality rater framework values experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Raw AI content has almost none of these. It doesn't cite the client's actual credentials. It doesn't reference real outcomes, case studies, or industry specific insights. It doesn't sound like it comes from someone who has actually done the work. Google systems are increasingly trained to detect this absence. Content without EEAT signals struggles to rank for anything competitive. Number 4, thin topical depth. AI tends to write surface level content unless pushed hard to go deeper. It covers the basics of a topic without the nuance, examples, or real world application that makes content genuinely useful. Google measures topical authority. Does this website cover this subject with real depth and expertise? Thin AI content scores low on that measure and caps how high the site can rank. Number 5, zero brand differentiation. For local SEO and business specific SEO, Google wants signals that a piece of content is genuinely connected to a specific business in a specific location serving a specific audience. Generic AI content has no location signals, no service specific language, no brand personality markers. That's a serious problem for any client depending on local or niche search visibility. So, what does Google actually want to see? Three things. First point, people first content. Is it written to genuinely help a specific reader, not to tick a content volume box? Second point, original value. Does it add something to the conversation that isn't already covered by 1,000 other pages? A client specific expertise, process, results, or point of view. Third point, contextual relevance. It means the content is clearly connected to this business, this audience, and the search queries those specific people are actually typing. Raw AI content fails all three of those tests without human refinement. The good news is you don't have to rewrite everything manually. You just need the right process to run AI content through before it gets published. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. Here's the prompt I use. The exact prompt link has been mentioned in the video description, so you can download use the same with any leading AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or any other you prefer. In the section Paste Client Website Links here, you need to place your client website's homepage, About Us, and Contact Us page link or main service page link where all list of services are mentioned. In the section Paste the AI generated content here, you need to place the entire AI generated content that you want to validate with this prompt to make a cleaner and optimized copy of your AI generated content.